something dangerous is happening to people's heart. It doesn't happen all at once. It happens slowly, bit by bit. Love starts to fade without people noticing. Matthew chapter 24, verse 12. Because of the increase of wickedness, the love of most will grow cold. People are becoming more distant, less patient, less kind. What used to feel normal, love, care, and respect, now feels rare. When love grows cold, it's not just relationships that break, it hearts that harden. But you don't have to become part of that. God can keep your heart warm, loving, and full of compassion, even in a cold world. Lord, protect my heart from growing cold in a world that is growing distant. Fill me with your love, kindness, and compassion every day. Amen. If you choose love over coldness, type Amen.